Okay, guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a brand new workspace in Dapta. And basically, what a workspace is, it's a new self-contained project. So this will be a separate instance with your own flows, your own data, your own integrations. You're going to keep the same login, but you'll be able to switch in between them. So to create a new workspace, you'll go ahead and click on this profile icon here in the lower left corner. You'll click on Workspaces. Here you'll be taken to the Workspaces page. Here you can see the one instance that I have set up. It has my email. There's no description currently, no articles. You can think of articles as blog posts. It has the number of flows, agents, credits, and when it was created. So to create a brand new workspace, you go ahead and click here on New Workspace. This will open up a modal, and now you can title your workspace and give it a description. So here I'll go ahead and give my workspace a name. We'll call it Workspace 2. And we'll go ahead and give a description, new workspace for internal staff, something like that. And at this point, I'll just go ahead and hit create. So one thing I'd like to mention is if you try to create a new workspace on a free account, you'll be taken to a payment gate and you'll have to sign up for one of our plans. If you already have a plan, this is how the flow would work for you. Now here I've been taken to my Workspaces page. I can add a member to this workspace so they have access to it. I can edit a project, delete a project. I can assign permissions for this new workspace. If I go back here now, you can see my workspace has been added. I can edit the workspace if I want to edit the title and description. This eye icon will take you back to that editing page where I can assign roles, add members. And now I've completed how to create your brand new workspace in Dapta. Now, one thing I want to show you real quick is if I want to leave my current instance or workspace, I can go ahead and click up here. If I click here, you'll see that I have the new workspace right here created. And so I can go ahead and click on this, and now I'm in my brand new instance of Dapta. And that's really it. There's not much to it. That's how to create a brand new workspace in Dapta. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.